The selection of paint, colour and technique that your door is painted with can dramatically impact the entry of any space. Here are a few tips that will help you create a lasting first impression for any room or home. Here's what you'll need: quality doors and trim paint, canvas drop cloths, masking tape, sandpaper at 180 and 240 grade, a 50mm brush.
Taubmans recommends only using premium brushes and rollers like the ones from Monarch.
A 180 or 230mm roller frame, pole and matching paint tray. Lastly, a short 5mm nap roller brush. In terms of the amount of time you will need, allow approximately 5 to 10 minutes between coat applications. Water-based paints generally take approximately 2 hours to dry. Taubmans Ultimate Enamel, a water-based paint with the features and benefits of an alkyd-based product, takes approximately 4 hours to dry. Oil-based enamel paints take approximately 16 hours to dry. You could also use Taubmans Endure Doors and Trim with 8-in-1 multi-benefit protection, or Easy Coat Doors and Trim. Here are the steps you'll need to follow. Firstly, determine the paint colour for your door. Remember to consider colours you've selected for surrounding walls and ceilings. Review colour charts or the Taubmans website for inspiration. We recommend taking the door off the hinges and laying it flat on a raised surface. If you are unable to remove the door, wedge the door in place to ensure it doesn't move while painting. Sand down the door. Mask off the surrounding areas with drop sheets and masking tape. If you are not painting the hinges, mask them off. Stir your paint thoroughly before pouring it into a paint tray. Paint the hinged edge first for the brush. Then for the main part of the door, use the W or M rolling techniques with the roller. Wait for the paint to dry before applying a second coat. If necessary, lightly sand the rough sections first. There are more videos on the Taubmans website or YouTube channel to guide you through every painting job, from painting exterior walls to painting ceilings. Now, let's go paint!